How to use iPhone Photo Cutout. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use iPhone Photo Cutout feature. It's a quick and easy video for removing photo background using your iPhone running iOS 18.3. Apple added this awesome feature editing tool with latest iOS update. Without further ado, now let's get it started. So first, let's make sure your iPhone is ready for this feature. Open your settings app and go to General and tap About to check your software version. Mine is currently 18.3, so I am all set. Alright, let's pick a photo to test the photo cutout feature. I have prepared a few pictures just for this video. Let's start with this one. Now tap and hold directly on the object you want to cut out, and you will see a flash of light around the subject, indicating that it's been selected. Once the object is highlighted, drag it across the screen without lifting your finger. Use other hand to open the app like Messages, and simply drop the cutout into the app. Now let's try this with another photo. This time I'll be using a picture of building. Simply tap on the building and a menu will appear. From here you can choose to copy the cutout and send it via an app or save it directly to notes. Let's save it to notes for this example. And if you want to get even more creative, you can even make a colleague, and I will use the freeform app for this. You can simply select another photo like this one and tap on hold to copy the cutout. Go back to the freeform app and paste the cutout and position it on the canvas. Repeat the process if you want to add another items in the photo. And that's it, you have created a fun custom image in a minute. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.